Get ready to boost your budget because today, we're unlocking the full potential of your Walmart employee discount card. First things first, let's confirm you're eligible generally. All current Walmart associates are eligible to receive and use the discount card. This card offers you a fantastic perk, a percentage off most eligible Walmart purchases, significantly reducing your everyday shopping costs. Using your discount in-store is super straightforward. Simply present your physical discount card to the cashier before they scan any items or begin the payment process. Ensure the cashier scans the barcode on your card. You'll then see the discount applied directly to your total before you pay. Now, for online shopping, the process is just as easy and can be done directly through your Walmart account. Log into your Walmart.com account. Navigate to your account settings or profile. Look for a section dedicated to discount program, associate benefits, or a similar title. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your unique discount card number. Make sure you have your physical card handy to get this information accurately. Once verified, your associate discount will be automatically applied to eligible items in your online shopping cart for all future purchases. It's that simple. Remember, while the discount applies to a wide range of items, there are a few exclusions like gift cards, alcohol, or certain services. Always check your associate handbook for the most up-to-date list of eligible purchases. By keeping your discount card secure and following these steps, you can maximize your savings on everything from your weekly groceries to those big-ticket items. Happy saving as a valued Walmart associate.